Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using Deep UK products. But before we start, I just want to quickly mention that I do have a discount code on Deep UK website. So if you use Grace20, you will get 20% discount of your total purchases. So I will be putting all the information down in the description box. So now into the video, here are the powders that I will be using today. And here are the close-up looks. So the first one is in the shade Crimson Tide. And this is a beautiful red-orange shade. Next is in the shade Dragonfly, and this is a chunky multicolor glitter mix. And I'm also going to use my Deep UK base, activator, and top coat. So to start off, I will be applying nail dehydrator on all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on my nails. So then next, I move on to my UNT peel-off base, and I will be applying a thin layer of this on all of my nails. This will just allow me for easy pop-off removal of my manicure, but obviously you don't need to apply this on your nails if you want your manicure to last. So then next, I move on to my deep powder application. So I apply a thin layer of the base on my nail, and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then tap off the excess. So I will be applying Crimson Tide on my pointy, pinky, and thumb, and I will be applying 3 coats of this shade. And also, I just want to quickly mention that the powders that I will be using today are from their brand new autumn release. And as always, their powders are very easy to work with and very pigmented. So I highly recommend you should check out the Deep UK website. They do have a lot of unique powders as well. So once I'm finished with the shade Crimson Tide, I move on to my clear powder, and I will be applying 1 layer of this on my middle and ring nail. This will just allow me to build up the thickness of my nails and also the base for my next shade. So once I'm finished with my clear, I move on to my next powder, which is the Dragonfly, and I will be applying 1 layer of this on my middle and ring nail. So again, I apply a thin layer of the base on my nail, and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then tap off the excess. And also, I use my other finger to gently press my nails just to flatten out all the chunky glitters. So then I repeat the same step with my ring nail. And also, if you're not satisfied with your chunky glitter, you can always apply a little bit of base on your nail, and you can use a toothpick to pick up the chunky glitter and just place it on your nail. So once I'm happy with all the colors, I went ahead with my clear powder to encapsulate my nails. This step is optional, but I highly recommend you do this, especially when you are using a chunky glitter on your nails. This will protect your nail design from filing and buffing. So once I'm finished encapsulating my nails, I brush up all the excess powder, and then I move on to my activator. So I apply generous amount of the activator on all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. After a few minutes, I file and buff off camera. So then I brush up all the dust and clean my nails with alcohol spray. You can also wash your hands if you want to. So once my nails are nice and clean, I went ahead and applied another layer of activator. So then after about 2 minutes, I wipe off all the excess activator using lint-free wipes. So the next I move on to my Deep UK top coat and I apply 2 coats of this on all of my nails. So once my top coat is completely dry, I apply cuticle oil and we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.